Alright, what's up guys, back with another video. Today we got the Kleavor vstar box. I don't really got too much room on this table. We got two of these boxes. Got them from Target. Some sword and shield packs in it. And yep, just please comment, like, subscribe, share, all of that. We are gonna be doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. It's a little ways away, but let's go. Let's get it. Oh, I think these promos are sick. Man, they're sick promos. Kleavor and the Kleavor vstar, and then even the big boy card. Man, I really gotta get like a normal binder and put these in because these are all bending, and I know sometimes they're worth some money. Yeah, I got a lot of them. Pikachu, Lugia, Oinkalone, Houndstone. And then, this is what I've been waiting for. Well, vstar medallion. Got Lost Origin, and 2 Fusion Strikes. I love Fusion Strike, even though the hits are not the greatest in Fusion Strike. I love it. But I'm just gonna open the other box real quick. Once again, vstar. Oh, this time they're this time they're in the opposite slots. That is weird. Okay. Should we go 2 and 2 and 2 and 2? Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, we start off with a Lost Origin. Oh my gosh. What the heck? That's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're faced the opposite way now. Okay. Gift Energy, Panic Mask, Dottler, Clefairy, Wurmple, Murkrow, Binacle, Ghastly. Oh, Parasect. Nice. I mean, Sableye. Nice. A little gallery hit. civilized. Okay, Lost Origin. Oh man, what is up with these packs? Holy crap. You know what packs were like this? I bought the Fusion Strike tins, and they were like this, where the packs just like, where they just like peeled off. Okay, Darkness, Torkoal, Mirage Gate, Luminion, Bronzer, Sudowoodo. Oh, that's a cool card, actually. Phantom, that's a sick card too. If that was a full art, or like, it would be sick. Good illustration there. Gligar, Squovit, Panic Mask, and Stauncher. Okay, Fusion Strike. Let's get that Gengar. Let's get that Gengar. I've opened a freaking pretty decent amount of Fusion Strike too. One, two, three, four. Decent amount of Fusion Strike, and I really like it. Okay, it's metal. Okay, Schoolboy, Togedemaru, Battle VIP Pass, Eevee, Panpour, Gossifleur, Galarian Meowth, Tynamo, Galarian Zigzagoon, and Cloyster. Okay, Fusion Strike. Yeah, man, I really like, I just really like the Gengar in this set. It's such a sick set. Or such a sick, card. Yeah, man, this is exactly how those other packs are. They just freaking... Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Leaf Energy, Musharna, Graveler, Battle VIP Pass, Bunnyary, Totodile, Toxel, Sigilyph, Stuffle, Rude, and Swampert. Dang, 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 so far. Let's go, Lost Origin. Zoroark on the front. Oh my gosh, these packs, man. Why are they opening like this? No. Okay, Psychic, Arezu, Torkoal, Mirage Gate, Hisuian Growlithe, Oddish, Poliwag, Phalanx, Squovit, Clefable, and Mr. Mime. Yeah. 1 of 5. Okay, Lost Origin. Come on, we can pull something. Oh my gosh. Okay, Darkness Energy, Swanna, Electric, Hisuian Sliggoo, Mindful, Litleo, Dynamo, Slugma, C-Dot, Goomy, and Cramorant. 1 of 6. And then we got Fusion Strike with not the best pull rates for the last 2. Oh, man. Okay, Fusion Strike, let's go. Okay, Darkness, Dunsparce, Electric, Victini, Staryu, Toxel, Meltan, Vulpix, Plusle, Gliscor, Starmie, Hollow. Okay, come on, Fusion Strike. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Weirdest packs opening. But yeah, this is just like how they were from the tins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Water Energy. Corvisquire, Dracloak, Beware, Choodle, Phalanx, Skitty, Slugma, Gligar, Bunnyary, and oh my gosh, Huntail. Oh man. We got 1 hit, and it was the first pack, so I thought it was gonna be. I was like, all right, this is gonna be good. We got Parasect, and then the Kleavors. They're sick though, the Kleavor ones. And that's a sick Parasect card, but you know. Well, yep, that's it for the vid. We got another banger coming tomorrow. Thank you guys for the views, the likes. Comment, please. And, yep, subscribe, share this with people. And I'll be right back tomorrow. Peace.